Hi everyone, this is the much awaited video you all CAT aspirants have been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to disclose the bulk discount for IMS Mocks. I'm from team MyPrepZone. MyPrepZone has partnered with IMS for their mock discounts. Right. So any students who registers for mocks for IMS which are SimCATs and you do it via MyPrepZone, you all get a flat whopping discount on the mocks. And if there is one mock test series that you all should definitely attempt, it has to be IMS. You can go and ask any of your senior. The best test series out of all 3-4 test series is IMS. Definitely, I personally also recommend all of our students to buy at least 2 test series, one of which should be IMS, and second, either you can get it from Time, CL, CrackU, but take it from a big player because 10,000 plus institutes, because 10,000 plus students go and take this test. So the main intent of mocks, as I've already talked about in my video, is it is to sort of get to know where do you stand in terms of competition. And the higher the number of students, the better would be a prediction of how you're doing in terms of your preparation. Also, before we move forward and I disclose this, do check out my video on our YouTube channel on the mock test analysis. So last year, student CAT 2022 topper who has scored 99.9 percentile, he has shared his Excel sheet on how did he analyze, but that is the perfect way of analysis. Trust me, if you do it, your preparation will really flourish. Okay, with that, let's start with this particular session. So first question that is coming to aspirants' mind is, sir, is it only for Prepzone student or can anyone apply to it? So any student who is a part of our open group is eligible to apply for this particular discount coupon. And the discount is same for every single student. No conditions, no questions asked. Okay, that's first. Second, the format of this mock test is going to be unproctored. What is unproctored? You cannot go to the IMS test center and take the test. All of these test series, you will get access to all the test series, but you would be taking the test from your home only, which in my opinion is a good thing. I personally would not want to go to the center, waste my time. Maybe you may want to do it for a few tests to sort of go and get acclimatized to the classroom sort of setup, but majority of the test as an aspirant should be taken in your home in different time slots as per the CAT. Okay, so this is the second important information. All of these tests as a part of this discount will be unproctored. Okay. Third, what all are the mock variants? I have attached the IMS website. You can go there. The mock variants are the same. They have 3 plans: SimCAT Comprehensive, SimCAT Plus, and SimCAT. SimCAT is the cheapest one. SimCAT Comprehensive is like very much exhaustive. The major difference between 3 Mota is essentially the other 2 higher priced package also gives you access to OMET mocks and all, which you would need after you're done with your CAT exam. But yeah, my suggestion is not to tell you which one to take, which one to not take. That you can choose basis your appetite. What is it that you're really looking forward to? But these are the 3 packages that IMS offers. You can have a look at the details. Okay, and if there is any question in terms of any of the mock variant, you can join one of our practice group where we will have IMS officials as well, and they would be able to answer definite questions with respect to this. Okay. Now, the most important thing, sir, what is that discount that you would be getting as a part of MyPrepZone? You might be eligible for higher discount. If you're already eligible, go and avail that. But if in case you're not eligible, I think this is the best you can offer. Okay. So every student will get flat 20% off on each of their variants. Whatever variant you choose, you will get a flat 20% off via MyPrepZone. Okay. And but now the main question is, sir, how do I go and avail it? Okay, you have told me it's flat 20% off, but how do you go and sign up for this discount? So it's a simple 5-step process. First, that's our team's phone number, 8017953035. You can ping us, get access to that Google form, which you have to fill. And based on your form filling, IMS officials will send you an email with the discount code. So ping us on the phone number. Second, I would attach the group, the WhatsApp group link in the description. Join that WhatsApp group ka link. Okay. The form ka link, I would attach it in the group description along with this particular video for the details. You go and fill the form from the WhatsApp group description. Once you have filled the form, you confirm it in the same group and just wait for a few days. IMS officials will be reaching out to you and we will keep on updating that. Okay, how many students have filled it? And basis on that, you will start getting the discount. But there's a catch here. The discount is only and only eligible if there are at least 100 students who sign up for it because this is a bulk discount. This is not something that IMS would want to do for 1 or 2 or 10 or 50 students. No, minimum 100 students is necessary. So if in case you want to avail this discount, share this video with as many friends, aspirants or groups. Ask everyone to come together so that you all get benefited. Even if it's 99, you won't get access to the IMS discount. We have absolutely no rule here. So you can't come to us and say, sir, mujhe discount nahi mila. Discount is only applicable if there are 100 students. So make sure you share this video not for us, but for yourself. Okay. So that's it. Hope this answers your question. If in case you guys have any other question with respect to the IMS mock test series, please feel free to comment and do share this video in your group so that it reaches out to maximum number of aspirants and you get as much discount as possible. Okay. All the best and happy learning.